Love isn't what saves a relationship. Connection is. Emotional safety is. What saves a relationship is you actually feeling safe enough to bring something up to your partner, and they are just as concerned with hearing you and validating any of your pain as you are with finding the right words so they don't feel attacked. Love doesn't save relationships. People say they love each other every day, but they don't know what that word means. Because love is all about serving and sacrificing for someone without immediately expecting they return the favor, right? Love means pausing before we react, because we understand how much our words and actions can impact those we love. Love is respectful and kind and gracious and warm. Love leans in when things get difficult. It's reciprocal. It's mutual. It's understanding and considerate. It leads to repair. Love takes accountability, because we're always going to have disconnecting moments, but love says, let's find a way back to each other.